We're here with Devin. He's got his MGRC. This is the 1/18th scale RC truck that we just got from Banggood. We've got the Cyclops version 3 on there for some FPV recording. And Devin's going to show us how this thing goes. All right, Devin, show us how it goes there. Not bad, it's not too powerful. Actually, the transmitter feels quite nice in my hands. Steering works pretty good. It's definitely not one we're going to be doing any donuts in. But you know what? This is geared for kids, and this is perfect. Especially for somebody Devin's age. Devin's 7 years old, and it's pretty good. And I'm just testing the range out here. So we made it all the way to the end of the baseball diamond there, and we're still moving good. That's about the extent of the range though. It is cutting out a bit. I'm gonna have to get a little closer. That is better. That was about max range there, guys. So we made it from the dugout out to the end of the diamond there. Basically out to, I don't know what you call it, maybe 10 feet past second base. But not bad. You know what? I would have no complaints if this came back, or I should say, I would have no complaints if this had not come damaged. But unfortunately it came damaged, so that's where my complaints were. But for a fun little toy, you know what, not bad, guys. We had a good time with this. So we're gonna bring it in. I'm gonna pass that controls back on to Devin here. Alright, we got Devin finishing up the video here. Devin, tell me, did you have a good time with this car, this truck? Yeah? Oh! Speed test. we definitely had a good time with the MGRC 1/18 scale truck here, guys. We definitely love the way it looks. We definitely had some fun, and we'll leave it at that. All right, guys. Well, make sure you give this video a like. Devin, let's show them what to do when we got to give this video a like. We got to give a big thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. All right, guys. He's being a little shy right now. Make sure you give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, make sure, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. And remember, don't be a stranger. We'll see you on the next one. See you, Devin.